Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to file zero sale tax in Florida step by step. This video is very important if you have a Florida LLC and resale certificate and you did not make any sales during this filing period. So let's get started. Before starting, let me explain what is zero sale tax filing. In Florida, even if you do not make any sales, you are still required to file your sale tax return. This is called zero sale tax filing and the form name is DR-15. So let's move into the system. First of all, you need to open your browser and search Florida Department of Revenue website. I will provide the link in the description below. And remember one thing, if you are located outside of USA, then you need to use a VPN to browse this website. Otherwise, the website will not working here. So then click on File and Pay option. It will redirect you to a next page. Okay, so scroll down a little bit and you will see an option Sell and Use Tax. You need to select this option here. Click here. Okay, it will redirect you to a new page, general tax, and here you can see the details regarding the update system on filing the sale and use tax. So scroll a little bit. Here you can see some option for login. If you don't have your user ID and password, then you can select the guest user option, and by using this option you can log in using your business partner number and certificate number. So click File a Return here. Okay, so here the option you can see the File a Tax Return. So you need to select this checkbox, I agree to the above terms and condition, and then click on Next. Okay, so here you can see the option File a Tax Return, and you can here you can see a form. You need to submit the details here. So here is the option for first name, last name, date and phone, and extension if you have, then email and confirm email. So let me submit those information and I will blur this option for my security purpose. Okay, then click on Next. Here is the option for your certificate number, business partner number, and account type. So we need to select the account type Sale and Use Tax and put your certificate number and business number here. Let me finish this step. And now click on Next. Okay, so here you can see File a Form option, and it will automatically capture your business details here. So as we are filing sale and use tax, then we need to select the form type DR-15. After click the form type, it automatically filing method captured, and then we need to click the return type. So we need to select the original return and filing period. Okay, as I already submit my sale tax for the Q4 period, that's why the next button is not coming. So I select the another option here to showing purpose, then click on Next. Okay, so here is the option. So we can put our sales amount. As we are submitting zero sales, that means we didn't make any sales during the filing period, so we need to put every details here as zero. Okay, so you need to submit 0 for gross sale, 0 for exempt sale, and tax due also 0, and then click on Next step, and all other option will be same as it is. Then click on Next step here, and you can see the estimated tax worksheet here. So we need to select a calculate method here. So I will use method 1 here. I will check mark this option and then click on next. And here are some options, so we need to scroll down a little bit here, then click on calculate. So you can see the final option here. Let me click here and then click on continue. The final page is here. You can see that here is some information. I will blur this. Here is the submitting date and certificate number, account type, filing period and amount. Make sure the amount will be 0 and total amount will be 0, because we are submitting zero sale tax for this period. Then you need to click on next. Okay, as I already submitted my sell and use tax for these periods, I will not click this yes, because as I already submitted, then it will submit again, so I will not click here, but you need to click on yes. Okay, I will attach the image of the confirmation, like how it looks, so in the video, so that you can check. Okay, after click on print button, it will redirect you to the new page. Okay, here you can see the print option available. You just click on print and it will print as a PDF. So here you can see the sale tax filing file here. Make sure you submit correctly, and please remember, filing zero sale tax is still mandatory. Late filing can causes penalties. File before the due date. Never skip filing period. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.